Probability. Introduction. Probability is simply how likely something is to happen. Whenever we are unsure about the outcome of an event, we can talk about the probabilities of certain outcomes, how likely they are. The analysis of events governed by probability is called statistics. The best example for understanding probability is flipping a coin. There are two possible outcomes, heads or tails. So total number of possibility is 2. Random experiment. Definition. A random experiment is an experiment or a random process for which the outcome cannot be predicted with certainty and there is equal possibility for each result. For example, tossing a coin, throwing a die, picking a card from a set of cards bearing numbers 1 to 50, and picking a card from a pack of well shuffled playing cards, etc. Outcome. Result of an random experiment is known as outcome. In a random experiment of tossing a coin, there are only two outcomes, heads or tail. In a random experiment of throwing a die, there are 6 outcomes according to the numbers of the dots on the 6 faces of the die, 1 to 6. A card is drawn randomly from a pack of well shuffled playing cards. There are 52 playing cards as shown below. 52 playing cards is divided into 26 red and 26 black cards. Red is furthermore divided into 13 diamond and 13 heart, whereas black is divided into 13 spade and 13 club. In a pack of playing cards, there are 4 sets, namely heart, diamond, club and spade. In each set, there are 13 cards as king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and ace. King, queen and jack are known as face cards. In a pack of cards, there are 4 cards of jack, 4 cards of queen and 4 cards of king. Thus, there are total 12 face cards. The division of 52 cards is shown below. Equally likely outcomes. If a die is thrown, check the possibility of getting one of the numbers. Any of the numbers from 1 to 6 may appear on the upper face. It means that each number is equally likely to occur. However, if a die is so formed that a particular face comes up most often, then that die is biased. In this case, the outcomes are not likely to occur equally. Here we assume that objects used for random experiments are fair or unbiased. For example, if a coin is tossed, possibilities of getting head or tail are equal. A die having numbers 1 to 6 on its different faces is thrown, then all the outcomes are equally likely. Based on the above theory, solve the exercise. If you have any doubt, answers are available on the documentation in the description box below. Thank you for watching the Academic Squad.